day to everyone, especially to the students of Laboratory High School. I am Lovely Daquiz from BSE 3B Mathematics, and I will be discussing the divisibility rules of 2 to 13. So to begin with, let us first identify the objectives of this lesson. So first, to be able to explain what divisibility means and also to be able to use the rules of divisibility to determine if numbers is divisible to other numbers. So now let us define what is divisibility rule. So divisibility rule in math are sets of specific rules that is applied to a number to check whether a number is divisible by a particular number or not, or simply means when you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number, therefore there is no remainder. So now let us move to the divisibility rules of 2 to 13. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is an even number. So for example, 134 divided by 2. So from 134, 4 is the last digits and it is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. So let's try to divide 134 to 2 and we will get an answer of 67, which is a whole number. Therefore, 134 is divisible by 2. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. So in this case, we will add the digits from the number. So for example, 414 divided by 3. So let's add the digits. 4 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 9. And 9 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, 414 is divisible by 3. So let's try to divide 414 to 3. And we will get a quotient of 138, which is a whole number. So now let's move on. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits form a number that is multiples of 4. So for example, 924 divided by 4. So from 924, the last two digits is 24, which is a multiple of 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 4. Let's try to divide 924 to 4 and we will get an answer of 231, which is a whole number. So a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5. So for example, 105 divided by 5 is equal to 21, which is a whole number. Therefore, when the last digit is 5, it is divisible by 5. For the divisibility rules of 6, if the numbers are divisible by both 2 and 3, therefore it is divisible by 6. So for example, 156 divided by 6. So first, let's check if it is both divisible by 2 and 3. So from 156, the last digit is 6, which is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. So for the divisibility rule of 3, let us check if the sum of the digits are multiples of 3. So 1 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 12, which is a multiple of 3. Therefore, 156 is both divisible by 2 and 3. So let us try 156 divided by 6 and it is equal to 26, which is a whole number. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. So for a number is divisible by 7 when the last digits is multiplied by 2 and then subtracted with the rest of the digits and the difference is a multiple of 7. So for example, 574 divided by 7. So from 574, let's multiply the last digits, which is 4. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And let's subtract the product from the rest of the digits, which is 57. So 57 minus 8 is equal to 49. And 49 is a multiple of 7. Therefore, 574 is divisible by 7. So let us check. 574 divided by 7 is equal to 82, which is a whole number. Therefore, it is divisible by 7. For divisibility rule of 8, so if the last three digits form a multiple of 8. So for example, 71,544 divided by 8. So the last digits is 544. And when you multiply 68 to 8, we will get 544. Therefore, it is a multiple of 8. So let us check if 71,544 is divisible by 8. So divide 71,544 to 8, and we will get an answer of 8,943, which is a whole number. Therefore, it is divisible by 8. So now, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. So for example, 55,755 divided by 9. So let's add the digits, which is the 55,755. So 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 and plus 5, and it is equal to 27, which is a multiple of 9. Therefore, it is divisible by 9. So let's check. 55,755 divided by 9 is equal to 6,195, and it is a whole number. Therefore, it is divisible by 9. So a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. So for example, 1,230 divided by 10. So from the number 1,230, 0 is the last digit. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. So let us try 1,230 divided by 10, and we will get a quotient of 123 without a remainder. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. But take note that 0 is divisible by any number. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums of the digit of the even and odd places is a multiple of 11. So for example, 50,248 divided by 11. So the first step is to identify the odd and even places. So from the number 50,248, the odd places are 5, 2, and 8. And when we add it, we will get a sum of 15. And from the even places, we have 0 and 4. And when sum it, we will get a 4. So let's subtract the sum of even and odd places. So 15 minus 4 is equal to 11, and 11 by itself is a multiple of 11. Therefore, 50,248 is a multiple of 11. So let us try to divide 50,248 to 11, and we will get a quotient of 4,568 without a remainder. Therefore, it is divisible by 11. And now, a number is divisible by 12 if the numbers are both divisible by 3 and 4. So, for example, 648 divided by 12. So, first step is to identify if it is both divisible by 3 and 4. So, for the divisibility rule of 3, let us see if the sum of the digits are multiples of 3. So, 6 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 18, which is a multiple of 3. And for the divisibility rule of 4, let us look if the last two digits form a number which is a multiple of 4. And the last digits from 648 is 48, which is a multiple of 4. Therefore, 648 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. And now, let us try if it is divisible by 12. So, 648 divided by 12 is equal to 54, which is a whole number. Therefore, it is divisible by 12. For the last one, a number is divisible by 13 if the difference between the number formed by the last 3 digits and the number formed by the rest of the digits are multiple of 13. So, for example, 62,257 divided by 13. So, from 62,257, the last 3 digits is 257, and let's subtract it from the rest of the digits, which is 62. So 257 minus 62 is equal to 195. And when we multiply 13 to 15, we will get a product of 195. Therefore, it is a multiple of 13. So let us try if 62,257 is divisible by 13. So 62,257 divided by 13, and we will get a quotient of 4,789 without a remainder. Therefore, it is divisible by 13. So that's the end of our discussion. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.